we are on day 10 of my 30 days of thrift store finds, and I am so happy. I love this series. It's been a real success. So let's show you what I got today. Look at the box. We've got Celine. Yes, these are Celine sunglasses. I got these at the, I'd say a consignment store, but take a look at them. They were in pristine condition. They were never worn. They did have the tags and everything attached to them. I'm not a huge sunglass girl, so when I got these and they were designer, I was like, I don't know, because I always tend to lose all of my sunglasses, so I usually get them from the Dollar Tree. But I saw these and I really like the yellow color. I've been into like this pale yellow for a while, and I like the whole like 70s vibe that they have. So I was like, okay, I'll definitely give them a try. I like them. They came with the box. They came with the sunglass case. They came with the little wipe, just like everything that you would get if you got them from the store. I think these retail for about 200 bucks. I'm not exactly sure. I didn't pay nearly that amount for them. I'll put in the video exactly how much they retail for. But yeah, I love them. I definitely suggest, if you want to get something designer, you kind of want to start out with something designer, going to the thrift store, the consignment shop, and getting sunglasses is definitely where you want to start. You're going to get a lot of bang for your buck in the consignment store. They don't retail for that much, so in consignment they're probably going to be around like $50, which is great, especially for someone like me that tends to lose sunglasses. I definitely recommend that. A lot of times with sunglasses, you can get the whole case. You can get a full set, so it'll come with the little cloth and the case and the box and everything that it would come with if you bought them in the store. So I definitely recommend, if you're gonna get something from the thrift store, start with sunglasses. They're always gonna be in great shape. I've never seen really sunglasses in really bad shape in the thrift or consignment store, and they're always a really good price. So yep, I did do an unboxing on my Instagram. I'll put a little video of that when I first got them, but I love them. I wear them all the time. I didn't pay a whole bunch of money for them, so if I lose them, I'm not too mad about that. But yeah, definitely think they were a great find at the store. Let me know what you think about this. We're gonna continue with the series and have more things coming with you. Bye, till next time. Don't forget, subscribe, comment, tell me how you like the series. Bye.